Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you basically how to add Jockie music bot to a Discord. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and search for Jockie music bot, and as you can see right here, you're gonna see the official website of Jockie music, and basically you can just go ahead and start learning about the Jockie music bot. And here it says, remember the times when you had to add all these music bots for your bulky server with each with their own prefixes and commands. Now you're gonna be able to add the one bot right here and authorize, as we said before, for Jockie music to have access to your profile and username and your servers, and then basically you're gonna be able to set your Jockie music on Discord. So as you can see right here, I don't have a server, so basically if you have one, just go ahead and follow along the on-screen instructions. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.